Hi, this is Alexander, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your NX user interface to the dark mode. To test out the dark mode, I would suggest you trying it out. We are changing the preferences. Go to File, Preferences, User Interface, and here select Theme. And in this theme, you can change the NX theme to the type dark. If you click OK here by changing the preferences, it will only be changed for this one session. I will show you how to change it permanently in the customer defaults in a second. You get a little warning that it will change the user interface, and here you have the dark mode. Now you would say, okay, but I don't want to have this white background. This is not a problem. Go to View. In the display group you will find a background drop down here, and in this background drop down you can either use the dark theme or you could use something like the graduated dark gray, which is my preference. And if you want to make a permanent change, you have to go to File, Utilities, Customer Defaults, and here you have to go to Gateway, then go to User Interface, Theme, and if you're changing your theme here to the dark mode, click OK. Then NX will tell you that you have to restart your session, and from there on it will always load in the dark mode. I hope this tutorial helped you, and feel free to like and subscribe. Hear you next time.